All right, so talking about the Axon Ivy and how we use that in Ricoh for the project, I have to say that we used Axon Ivy for the project to help us integrate and coordinate the work of different HR systems that we previously had in our organization. So definitely it helped us to automate, integrate, and simplify all our processes.
So if we will standardize processes, if we will implement the new operating model, we will introduce self-service and we will integrate the systems. The last, but very important strategic element that is missing will be the engagement layer. So one place for every employee and a manager to approach HR and to solve all their problems or address all their queries. And that was the moment when we come up with an idea to create something that we called engagement layer, named now iPeople 2.0 as a one-stop HR platform. The challenge was huge because, as you remember, our IT technology stack was very complicated and very, very complex. Of course, there was a decision. We can stop using the old systems and tools and invest in maybe one or two new tools which will cover all those functionalities. But it was related to the enormous cost. Then we decided, okay, fine, we are having a good tools, good systems, but they are just not cooperating slightly with each other, and we don't have a easy flow of the data below them. So let's integrate them, let's use them, let's build the layer that will cover all of them and will give our users the very friendly interface. So all of those elements were integrated and orchestrated by the solution that we created together with our colleagues from Axon Ivy.
Thinking about our employees and their experience with a new dashboard, we have to say that first of all, our aim together with Axon Ivy was to build a tool, a single point and one-stop shop that provides all the HR service for our employees and managers in one place. And the second aim was definitely to deliver something which is user-friendly and easy to use by our employees. And we did it.
This solution gives access to all most frequently used features and tools in one place. So you have everything displayed. You have all the functionalities of the platform, but you can also see on the right side of the screen that there are also the local links to the tools that people in particular country are using for the certain reasons or certain processes. What is also very important and very, let's say, user-friendly is the fact that this portal is fully configured. So every user can build his own or her own dashboard, putting into the dashboard those elements and features which are most frequently used by this person. What is also very interesting with this solution is that we built together the knowledge base, which allows our employees to search for the knowledge, for the information, for any type of materials like policies, procedures, guidelines, documents, instructions, and so on and so on. To find them, they can use very easy to use advanced searching tools. So you can put there, for example, the group of the people that this material is addressed for, document language, document type, document owner, or the date when it was issued, and so on and so on. What is the beautiful thing in this solution is that the system is automatically recognizing where the user who is currently searching for the information is based in and to which organization belongs to, and then provides the search outcomes relevant only for this location, for this company, and for this employee. So there is no problem that someone who is sitting in Poland while searching for policies will see the policies from Germany, which are not relevant for him or for her. What is also interesting here that we are still building our library of keywords. So we are analyzing what type of the keywords our employees are using while searching for a certain content. And we are building this library of keywords, which is increasing the searchability of the documents. The next very interesting functionality is the ticketing and automated processes. So every single employee can initiate the ticket, which is the request to HR or to the system to do the changes or help or get help in certain processes, for example, related to trainings, related to building the organizational structure or anything like this. While raising the ticket, every ticket raiser can observe what is happening with that ticket, who is dealing with this ticket at the moment, how much time does it take, and what is the status of that. But one of the elements that I mentioned also before was the fact that we changed the way how we work. So we work heavily remotely. That is why we decided that the system, that the iPeople 2.0, which was built together with Axon Ivy, should be also accessible from the mobile devices. And that is why you can see on the screen that every single time when someone is doing something in the system and you are somehow involved in it, doesn't matter if you're a manager, employee, or an HR agent, you can always interact and work with this system through your mobile phone, through your iPad, or any other mobile devices, which gives you much more flexibility and increases efficiency of our work. And finally, what is also very important, and I think this is like the element that is very much recognized, especially by the newcomers and the hiring managers, we built together with Axon Ivy in iPeople 2.0 something that we called Onboarding Portal. So it's a dedicated place that is accessible also for those of our colleagues who already finished the recruitment process, but they are not hired yet. So they can enter this portal, they can start going through the trainings, collecting information and the knowledge about the organization. They can also provide us as Ricoh with all the documents required for a hiring process. They can sign documents and they can also receive tasks from the hiring manager, which should be accomplished before day one. This solution automates also all the functionalities which are required for onboarding. So for example, when the hiring manager initiates the hiring process, we are collecting data and documents from the candidate. This system generates automatically requests and interactions with other systems and other functions in the organization to make the whole onboarding process very smooth. So for example, automatically send request to IT to prepare proper computer and mobile phone with all the accesses related to the position that the newcomer will take over. Also, it sends information to finance to prepare everything, to HR people, to administration, to any other related functions that will organize something to onboard our newcomers perfectly and efficiently from a day one. It also helps to create individual onboarding plans, so hiring manager together with the employee can create such a plan and ensure that all the tasks are accomplished on time. And there is also the feature that allows both of those, let's say, sides of the process to monitor where we are with the onboarding process. This solution changed completely life of HR, because you can imagine how many manual work has been done before that. Now it's fully automated, integrated with other systems, and helps us to make this first experience of the newcomers very smooth and very, let's say, inspiring for them while joining Ricoh as a digital service company. All of those changes gave us the following benefits that we see. Of course, there is a plenty of more of them, but the main 8 of them that I can see on a daily basis are following. First of all, we increased significantly self-service. So managers and employees are doing more things by themselves, faster, easier, using the iPeople 2.0. We created one-stop shop and single route into HR. So we eliminated all other not formal channels, let's say, to interact with the HR, which improved efficiency and improved also life of our employees and HR people. We automated tasks and some processes. So we have processes where any single person in HR is not involved in. So it's fully automated. We improved user experience, giving them the access to this tool 24 hours per 7 days with simple user-friendly service. So there is no need to wait for HR on Monday morning, let's say, to appear in the office or in front of the computer. You can initiate processes any single time you want. Integration with other systems and tools, which gives us enormously important new functionalities and possibilities. Support for the entire employee life cycle, because this tool will provide us a digitalization and automation across all processes during the whole cycle of life of our employees in the organization. Standardized processes and reduce complexity, which is very clear observing what we did. And finally, HR efficiency. We gave this way our colleagues in the countries much more time and space to focus on the most value-adding activities like HR business partnering. And instead of doing administrative type of work, they can focus on that. An admin job will be done by the system or by our HR shared service in Gdańsk.
When we started our project with Axon Ivy, our aim was to deliver the MVP. But from the beginning, we've been thinking about some additional features in the future to be added to the platform. And definitely the Axon Ivy solution is the one that helps us to think about the future and being ready for the future demands and future requirements. But definitely the special thing about the Axon Ivy is that they as a company, they are very brave and they are challenging the status quo. So they helped us to find a way which is the easiest, fastest and more efficient to coordinate all the systems that we have. They've been very close to us, they've been very supportive, providing a different type of the support, not only the project management, but also the business consultancy and the technical support for our IT guys in the company. So definitely I can say that Axon Ivy is a trusted partner for any company that might be thinking about the cooperation with them.